Hi, I am Sheikh Azwar Abrar Nabil from Bangladesh. In my country, dense traffic and recurring flood mean professional help is often hours away. During that gap, confusion costs lives. To solve this, I used byte coding with Gemini 3 Pro in Google AI Studio. I built a fully functional progressive web app. All the code is open source and available on Google GitHub right now. Let's look at Navigator AI in action. Imagine you see a crack in your building's basement. Standard AI just sees a wall, but using Gemini 3 Pro's image analysis and Navigator's AI reasons through the physics, I uploaded this photo. Look, it doesn't just identify the crack, it detects the shear pattern and correctly identifies a critical structural failure. It instantly generates a safety evacuation plan. In a crisis, people panic. Typing is hard. Here I use the voice to text engine. I ask, I'm stuck in a flood. I'm panicked. What do I do? Is it safe to stay?
Seek higher ground immediately. Do not try to walk or drive through moving water.
Then what should I do?
Listen for emergency broadcasts and follow evacuation orders. Stay informed about the flood situation.
Gemini 3 Pro acts not just as distinct expert but as a real-time voice assistant. Notice the tone. It uses empathy engine to de-escalate panic, giving me calm, grounded instructions while I wait for help. Navigator AI bridges the gap between chaos and safety using the reasoning power of Gemini 3 Pro. It's not just an app for millions in the global south, it's a survival tool. Thank you.